Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 24 Dauntless. It's a new trade-in that we just got in. It's a 2016, but it looks like new. As you can see, it's the light blue colored hull with the white rub rail with the insert of the stainless steel, which really highlights the side of the hull. It's a gorgeous color blue, and the profile of the boat looks great as well. As we come around the stern, you'll see that we have trim tabs, which it's great for leveling it out. And you've got the upside down smirk, we call it, where it shoots the spray down instead of straight out. And what happens when you shoot straight out, it can blow back in the boat. When it shoots down, it goes down into the water. It doesn't blow in. It makes for a much drier ride, especially on a side wind. We got the long 4-step ladder, which is longer than most. Some are 3, some are 2. So great ladder, can be deployed easily. Back of the boat, we got a few things here. We got the 350 Mercury Verado. It is a phenomenal engine for this boat. It's going to make this thing a rocket ship. It's going to get on plane within less than 3 seconds, and you're going to cruise. You'll be able to hit top speed somewhere over 50. So plenty of power. It also has a jack plate that you'll see here, and attached to the jack plate are twin power poles. So you get the blades, and really nice setup. If you want to fish this boat, whether it's inside or out, this boat is set up perfectly. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are up on board the 24 Dauntless, and let's start at the stern of the boat. And we're going to point out a few of the features. We've got 2 speakers, one on port, one on starboard, and plenty of sound for the people that are sitting in the back. And you do have a battery charger in here. So if you run into a situation where your battery gets low, you can plug it in, charge it right up. And if you aren't fishing for the day and you're going for a ride, you can put 4 adults comfortably on this very large seat here, high back, very comfortable on your back. And then you've got a lot of storage underneath on both sides, life jackets, fenders, anything like that. But if you are fishing, just fold this down like that. You've got a nice platform right here to stand on. And then you've got 4 rod holders right across the back. You've got a freshwater washdown in the back as well. So plenty of area here to stand and fish off the back of the boat. And then here, you've got the seat, the dual action seat here. It's good for when you're driving the boat. It's in this position. Just flip it like that. You can sit now, you can fish facing the back like this, very comfortable. And if you need bait, there it is. Very large live well, very easy, good access. 2 more rod holders on this, place to keep your knives, some lures right here, hook them right on, so set up nicely for fish. Slide it back, and now at the helm, very nice helm the way it's set up. You got a footrest right down here, very comfortable for especially guys with short legs like me. And we got the digital throttle and shift, and it's all fly-by-wire now, so there's no cables on here, so it's beautiful. Trim tabs. You've got the Smart Craft, which is a computer for your engine, and it's going to give you all your pressures, your levels, your fuel burns, all that stuff is going to be right in here. Also, you got the really nice Whaler signature steering wheel, Fusion. The Fusion remote, the stereo remote, and then the GPS, the Garmin, nice size Garmin, fits in there beautiful, looks great. Got the Garmin VHF and all your switchers and everything, all accessible, phone charging, everything right here. Small windshield right there, gives you a little bit of a blockage in case you run into any weather or any spray. And then let's move towards the bow. Under the helm, you've got a very good sized head, so it is comfortable. It's kind of surprising to people. It does have a window up there which gives you lighting and can be open for fresh air, so plenty of room in there for the if you need to use the head. And up towards the bow, got a comfortable seat right here. It's got 6 rod holders, 3 on each side, so more rod holders. We got 4, 6. This makes 12 rod holders from here back. And then you've got a second live well. So you got 1 on the bow if you're fishing the bow, and 1 on the back if you're fishing the stern. Now this is set up going to the beach, that type of thing right here, so you've got all the cushions deployed. And if you are going for a ride, this just pops up like that. and both sides become lounges. So very comfortable here. And then we've got a locker, a fish box right in here. Very large, very deep, self-draining. Plenty of room to keep your fish that you catch. And as we move towards the bow, we have a split bow rail. So what this does here is this allows you to, safety-wise, you've got children, that type of thing. But if you do want to board, like we go to Key Wading at the beach, you can drive it right up and hop on the bow of the boat. It gives you access with the split bow rail. Your anchor is conveniently located right in here, so easy access for the anchor. And then you've got the chrome-plated handrails that go all the way along here for support when you are sitting up here going for a ride. It's got drink holders, gives you all the support. And then lastly, we've got the T-top, which is a pretty good sized T-top. And it's got the holes up there for the rods to go through. And you can also keep life jackets and things on the back of that, which are out of the way but easily accessible if you need it. So there you go, 2016 24 Dauntless. Phenomenal boat for where we are, especially in the Naples area, but at the west coast of Florida. Inside, you can go into shallow water with it. You can take it offshore if you want to too. So it's a perfect boat for around here. If you have any questions or make an appointment to come see it, please call me at 603-213-1194. My name is Bob Freeman.